Hello, I'm Angela Baker, Chief Sustainability Officer for Qualcomm. It's an honor to be part of this year's event. As we explore ways to create a more sustainable and greener future, Qualcomm sees 5G technology playing an essential role. 5G isn't just another generation of mobile technology. With its fiber-like speeds, ultra-low latency, massive capacity, and high reliability, 5G is central to a world where everyone and everything can be intelligently connected. With 5G, devices can be connected to the cloud 100% of the time, helping to accelerate digital transformation across industries with new services, new business models, new experiences, and the real-time exchange of information. These capabilities make 5G a powerful tool for tackling one of the biggest challenges we face as a global community, climate change. Climate change is a social, economic, and environmental issue to which every person and every company should be paying attention. By 2050, it's estimated that the Earth's population will increase by more than 25% to nearly 10 billion people. Over that same period, the global economy is projected to grow by nearly 300%, further straining finite natural resources and increasing energy use by 80%. We know change is needed, and we know it's possible. 5G can help. To better understand the impact of 5G on sustainability, Qualcomm conducted a study that looked at various opportunities across multiple industries, analyzing everything from real-time monitoring of water usage to optimizing energy use to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Most of the data points from the study are specific to savings and reductions in the United States, but the opportunities for savings extend across regions. Let's take a closer look at the findings, starting with 5G and greenhouse gas emissions. As 5G accelerates digital transformation across industries, the use of smart, connected sensors and devices will enable companies and municipalities to more efficiently utilize natural resources, helping to reduce our carbon footprint. In the US, 5G is expected to enable the reduction of 374 million metric tons of greenhouse gas emissions by 2025, a savings equivalent to taking 81 million passenger vehicles off US highways, or the carbon sequestered by 460 million acres of US forests for 1 year. 5G can also improve household water management. The need for conservation of limited freshwater resources continues to gain momentum. Intelligent meters, leak detectors, and other sensors within a water utilities network can be securely connected to create smart water systems that provide real-time data on usage and alert customers and distributors when leaks are detected. 5G-enabled smart water systems are expected to save up to 410 billion gallons of water annually in the US, equivalent to the water use of more than 4 million homes. Agriculture is another area where 5G can make an important impact, with smart, connected drones monitoring the use of pesticides. Using computer vision, these drones will be able to survey fields and determine the areas that are in need of pesticides, then share that information with other drones designed to accurately spray it. The projected result is a 50% reduction in pesticide use. These drones will also help protect farm workers by allowing them to stay at a safe distance from potentially harmful chemicals. Within the energy segment, 5G will catalyze the creation of smarter energy grids, allowing the grid to better adapt to the dynamics of renewable energy and distributed generation, and improving energy efficiency and usage. 5G will help unlock the next generation of smart energy grids that will be more robust, more responsive, and have a greater capacity to efficiently deal with increasing demand. The result is a projected reduction in gas and electricity consumption of 12%. Turning to transportation, cellular vehicle to everything, or CV2X connectivity, will enable our cars to communicate with other vehicles, city infrastructure, pedestrians, and the cloud, helping to enable enhanced autonomous driving capabilities. CV2X applications will control parameters such as lane changes, speed, braking, and acceleration, helping to optimize traffic flow and fuel efficiency while reducing accidents and fatalities, making travel greener, safer, and more enjoyable. The use of lane management and traffic management systems enabled by C-V2X could result in fuel savings of up to 20%. Over the course of the pandemic, companies realized that with advanced wireless connectivity, workers can be productive from home. 5G can elevate connectivity for a world now working from anywhere, enabling richer video conferencing and virtual collaboration with colleagues and customers, while simultaneously reducing travel needs and our carbon footprint. The 5G personal computer will be an important part of this future, providing lightning-fast connectivity, lightweight fanless designs, and extraordinary battery life so that today's workers can access what they need when they need it, regardless of where they are. Cellular network infrastructure represents another important opportunity for sustainable innovation. 5G networks continue to evolve in the 5G era, bringing greater performance as well as greater power efficiency. According to data from Nokia, Ericsson, and others, 5G networks are up to 90% more efficient than 4G networks with respect to energy consumption per unit of traffic. There are a number of advancements contributing to these improved efficiencies, including device-to-device connectivity, mobile infrastructure sharing, and ultra-dense networks, to name a few. Like other companies, Qualcomm believes it has an obligation to create a more sustainable future. To this end, we are working to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions from our operations and across our value chain. Last year, we set a goal of net zero greenhouse gas emissions across scopes 1, 2, and 3 by 2040. And since 2014, we've reduced our scope 1 and 2 greenhouse gas emissions by 20%. We've also made a commitment to improving the sustainability of the technology we build, reducing the power consumption of our flagship Snapdragon mobile platforms by at least 10% per year with each new platform. Qualcomm is dedicated to conducting its operations in a manner that provides safe and productive work conditions and protects the environment and the communities in which we work and live, and conserves natural resources. In China, Qualcomm's Wuxi manufacturing facility successfully reduced its electricity usage by approximately 2.8 million kilowatt hours through a variety of energy-saving programs and projects, preventing more than 2,000 tons of carbon dioxide equivalents from being emitted. The energy-saving initiatives include a heat recovery technique that was adopted to upgrade and optimize the facility's water pumping and smart lighting systems in different zones. In addition, we have carefully evaluated ways to reduce the amount of electronics waste from offices and laboratories in China, and to extend the life cycle of electronic products in an environmentally friendly way. To date, Qualcomm China has recycled approximately 27 tons of electronic waste from labs and offices, and roughly 500 kilograms of hazardous waste. You can find out more about our China-specific efforts around environmental sustainability and how our innovations are being utilized to drive change in our annual China Corporate Responsibility Report, now available on the Qualcomm China website. To realize the benefits afforded by 5G, it's imperative that we take action now. We need to accelerate and expand the deployment of 5G networks and extend 5G to new industries and use cases to realize new sustainability opportunities. Thank you again for the opportunity to participate in today's event. Enjoy the rest